In this video, we'll start the gearbox housing by first placing our housing component, which will be our first component, into a SOLIDWORKS assembly. To do that, with SOLIDWORKS open, go up to the new icon in the menu bar and click on Assembly, and then click OK, and this shoots you into the SOLIDWORKS assembly environment. If SOLIDWORKS is configured in a particular way, you will automatically get a dialog box to open up your very first component for your assembly. But if not, you can go up to the Assembly tab and click on Insert Components. Then you can select from the dialog box. If this dialog box does not open up, you can click on Browse right here. I'm going to open up my housing drawing, or sorry, my housing model, and I get a graphics preview that's near my cursor where I'm going to place this housing in the assembly. Now, if you don't see what I'm seeing right now, your problem might be that graphics preview might not be checked. If graphics preview is not checked, you will not be able to see a graphics preview of your component. To check it, go to the Property Manager and then click on Graphics Preview under Options. And then we want to place this housing on the origin of the assembly. We want the assembly origin and the housing origin to be the same. This becomes important for orientation purposes as our assemblies get more complex. First, we need to show our assembly origin because right now we just have blank space. We don't know where it is. So go up to the View control bar, click on the down arrow next to the eyeball, and then click on View Origins. Now we can see the assembly origin, which is right here, and the part origin. If you move your cursor to the assembly origin, you will get a little icon that pops up next to your cursor showing two origins, one with a part next to it, right next to each other. This is the icon that lets us know that if we left click right now, our part origin will be the same as our assembly origin. Left click to make this happen, and our part origin becomes the assembly origin. This is our very first step in starting our gearbox assembly. Now, some helpful notes that you might want to take with going through this video are: 1, how to make our graphics preview show up, and 2, how to make our origin show up so that we can click on it. I've prepared a list of notes in Microsoft Word that might assist in your note taking. You can either copy what I have here or rewrite some of these items in your own words. I've made a header saying starting the assembly, and I go through how to make the graphics preview show up. I go through how to make the part origin the same as the assembly origin, and how to make the origin show in the assembly environment. Click to pause to make your own notes page.